First task today is, since the passenger side isn't going to have a heat box yet, I'm just going to close off the intake hole with some of this aluminum here. So in the future I could just pop that aluminum plate out and then insert the heater box. So yeah, I'm going to draw it out, cut it out, see where we get. Okay, so that's what it looks like all together with the passenger side. It's going to vibrate like crazy, so I might fix that in a bit. But for now, it's sealed off, and that's just where it goes. So we'll see. It should be good for now. It keeps the mice out. Next, I think I'm going to do is the gear shift. Hopefully I can get that done today. We're inside the truck. Before I do the floor, I might as well get this guy in here. I should be able to take it out enough to put the heater system in afterward. So yeah. First thing we're going to do is we can put these guys on, I guess. They used to screw into the backside, but now they just pressure fit on, which works out pretty good. So next is I'm going to take off all these lines here because they have the cap still on them, and I'm going to take off my oil pressure line and then hook everything up to the dash. That's applied right. to inside the cab. This is sort of in for now. I still have to do some adjustments, possibly with the vents, because the vents don't line up even though they're in their proper spots. But that's no biggie for now. Got the gauges, all the gauges work. Some gauges are different colors because reasons. Like that one's red and then that one's blue. Kind of hard to see with this camera. There we go. So yeah, I still have to get the heater in. And what I did today is I installed this guy here, but I'm having a little bit of a fitment issue. As you can see, it hits really hard on the right side when it should be over here a bit more. Other than that, it seems to be alright. It fits. It holds everything together. I have my gauge and my auto throttle. Putting it in, I did make a mark right there. Right there. But I can paint that back up. So that's what that looks like. I was dumb because I didn't cut this nice and flush, so I might do more. I might redo the rubber here. We'll see. I don't know. I would like that to be flush with that because that's how the carpet was beforehand. It sat underneath this. So yeah, had to cut that out, that little piece right there, because it hits pretty hard. So I'll just have to live with that too. Anyways, that's what I did today. I have to do adjustments, like I said, to that. The dash is in for the most part. Yo. I learned these have a little light in them. So when I park the truck, I have to make sure that I turn off power if I'm parking for a few days because they have a dead light in all these.